The IPC-IG presents a video series on the collection of one-pagers.
Every instrument for divulgation of intellectual work is most welcome. In particular, when you have an instrument like the one-pager, which is brief, short texts summarizing the tip of the icebergs, so to speak, because they summarize more substantive researches and work. And hence it's very useful to divulge what people are doing. And if you are interested in one specific item, you can go and look for the references and contact the researcher and so on and so forth.